Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, as you can obviously tell from the title, is a shopping haul video or a clothing haul video from the brand Forever 21. I have all the things that I bought from the store lying around here, and there was a massive sale going on at the Forever 21 store. So the final billing amount was 30,000 rupees for this 13-14 pieces of clothing that I've gotten, but I ended up paying only 12,000 rupees. So yes, you guessed it right, there was a flat 60% sale going on at the store, and I have managed to steal some amazing pieces of clothing which I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So if that is something that interests you, then continue watching. If you are new on my channel, then you know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and without wasting any further time, let's quickly dive in. Also, before I deep dive into showing you what all I have purchased, I want to tell you that the store that I visited is in Vadodara, Gujarat, just outside the In-Orbit Mall. So that's the Forever 21 I visited. Also, to be honest, I have honestly delayed the process of filming this video, and I have won some of the clothing items that I got from Forever 21. So I'll be attaching some pictures here and there of whatever I have worn, so you get a clear idea of how it looks worn and how I styled it. So yeah, that being said, also some of the clothing items belongs to my sister Mansi, and of course I have to show it in this video. So also, if I remember correctly, I vlogged the day when we were shopping all of this. We got our nails done, and it was a sister's day out kind of a video. So if you haven't watched that video out, I'll leave a card over here and a link in the description box below. So if you want to check that out, you can watch that out as well. Now, in no particular order, I'll just start showing you what all I have purchased. So the first item that I want to show you is this beautiful legging or a lower in this amazing floral print. It has huge floral print all over it, and the material is gym material, so you can wear it to the gym or while you're cycling or working out at home, and you can style it with any solid color t-shirt like black, orange, purple, light blue, and it has this amazing lining, black colored piping on both sides, and I feel that makes it look super stylish. The material is great, and it's priced at rupees 13.99, but as I mentioned earlier, there was a flat 60% off going on, so you do the math. Yes, it was that cheap, and the size that I got it in is small. I usually wear medium sized clothing. My waist is anywhere between 28 to 30. It keeps on changing, but the small fitted me perfectly well. So this is what I got. Love the material. I haven't worn it yet, but excited to try it out. The second item that I want to show you is another lower. It's again a legging in this amazing shade of olive green. I have worn it 3-4 times, to be honest, so that means it has been washed 3-4 times. I would say the color has faded a little bit, but it's super comfortable. If you can tell from the camera, the material is great. This one I got it in medium, and it fits me perfectly. You can style it with a black colored t-shirt, or if you are someone like me, you can even wear it with a black colored kurti, and that would look awesome, or a black colored top, or a white color spaghetti. So yeah, this is what I got. Again, if I remember correctly, the price tag is off, but again, it was somewhere around 1400-1500 rupees, and 60% off on that, so do the math. Third thing that I want to show you is another lower, but this time it's a skirt, and it's this rainbow colored skirt. The fabric is cotton. I would say it's pure cotton, but a little bit looser. It's not super stiff. I actually wore this skirt when I went to the Bhuj Mandvi trip. I have vlogged it, so you might have spotted me wearing this skirt. It has these buttons on the front and a zip at the back, so it fits like perfectly on my body. The size that I got it in is medium, and I personally styled it with a white color top on it, which again I bought from Forever 21. If I remember correctly, I do have a black colored leather skirt that I got from Forever 21 a year or two earlier, but that got ripped off really badly just lying in my closet, and I wanted a nice fitted skirt, so that's why I decided to buy another skirt from Forever 21. I love their skirts and I'm quite happy with this one. You can style this skirt with any of these t-shirts or top and it would look stunning. I would show you the white color top that I styled it with. So this is the top. I bought it on the same day. So yeah, this is the white color top. Easy breezy, perfect for summer season. It's quite loose but I like it like that. The size is medium, so it's basically just loose fitted. It has gotten this kind of sleeves. It's not sleeveless. It has gotten this kind of a thing going on around and medium sized. This detailing on the neck, little bit deeper. I personally accessorized it with the long silver necklace and that looked stunning. The length is also decent enough, so you can wear it with skirts or shorts or denims, whatever you like. Another lower that I want to show you, I've gotten many lowers. I am a person who always buys tops and t-shirts and one pieces and dresses. This is the first time I've gotten so many lowers and I'm really happy about them. So I got a shorts. This is in size 30. So all my shorts, previously I was a little thinner. I'm not fat, but I was thinner earlier, and all my lowers are somewhere around 27, 28, and I wanted to invest in a pair of shorts that fits my current size, that's 30. So I got this very basic denim shorts. It's ripped on both the sides over here, has gotten pockets, back pockets as well. They've gotten these buttons in the front instead of a zip, so I find that really cool. This was somewhere around 1900 rupees if I am recalling correctly, but again 60% off, and yeah, that's what it costed me. Then I have an amazing t-shirt that I'm dying to wear but haven't found, you know, the ideal occasion. So it's this very stylish black colored tee. It has a deep neck, so if you can tell, so it has a stripe over here on the neck and a deep neck, and it has this zigzag pattern on the side. So yeah, so when you wear it, just beneath here it's see-through, and I feel that it makes this top super stylish. So you can honestly wear it with this denim shorts or a denim skirt or a white colored short or maybe a leather skirt or a leather well-fitted pants, and that would look stunning. Honestly, you can wear a black t-shirt in so many multiple ways you cannot even imagine. So yeah, I love it. Oh, the price tag is still on. So it was worth 1150 and 60% off on this. Wow. So I was really happy with the collection of Forever 21. Honestly, we just had like an hour to spend there and shop. If I had more time at that store, trust me, the amount of clothing items that I've gotten would have doubled. Okay, so moving on, I have this amazing pair of earrings which I had honestly forgotten about that I've bought. So I haven't worn them. Look at how cool they are. These are for $4.99. I don't think this had a discount on it. Even if it had, it was like 10 or 20%, not more. Looks great. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Moving on, we have 4 different pieces of clothing for Mansi. Also, I had a black dress which is missing. Probably it's in the laundry. So I will attach a picture over here, me wearing it. I have worn it twice. One on my trip to Mandvi and like when I went to White Run Bhuj. So that's the dress I wore. And I also wore it in my recent Instagram reel. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, you should follow me. And I, wore a black colored leather belt to, just give the waist a little bit more definition. So yeah, that is the dress I'm talking about. Again, it was priced for 1500-1600 rupees and 60% flat discount on that. So super cheap. Hey guys, sorry for this awkward edition, but I forgot showing 3 clothing products the other day while I was filming, and I also found the black dress that I was not able to find the other day, so I had to reshoot this entire thing. So coming on, the dress that I forgot to show is this one. This is in size medium and is this brick colored dress. It's more like a oversized dress, but I feel if you want it to, you know, hug your body tightly, you can wear a black belt and layer it with a jacket. It's a spaghetti dress. The material is really good. I haven't worn it, but I think I lost the price tag. This was somewhere around $14.99 and with the 60% discount. Another thing that I absolutely love and I had forgotten about, which is why I haven't even worn it, is this white cotton shirt. It's a very light material cotton shirt and it's priced at rupees 1369. I have the price tag on. The size of the dress is medium and it's a very beautiful shirt, very simple. You can layer it with literally anything. You can, you know, tie it around your waist, or you can wear it over a spaghetti top or a dress. And I honestly wanted a very basic white shirt, which I got at Forever 21. So this is priced at rupees 1369 and has a 60% off. So imagine how cheap this shirt is. Another thing that I forgot to show is a jacket that Mansi bought. This was a little on the expensive side, but with the discount and all, I feel this was great. So this is the jacket. It's a green, dark green colored, olive green colored hoodie jacket, kind of like that raincoat material jackets that we have. It has a hood, and I'm not doing a very good job at showing this to you guys. So this is what it looks like, and it has this silver light green thing going on both sides of the sleeves, and it looks really stylish. Let me just go back and show. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Mansi pulls it off really nicely, and it has got this kind of sleeves, and this was somewhere around 2500, I don't remember correctly, but had a 60% discount on it. And the black dress that I couldn't find the other day, I have found it. Yeah, so here is the dress. It reaches like just where my knee is, size medium, sleeveless, a little bit lower neck, so you can accessorize it nicely, and it's flowy, loose. You can wear a belt if you like, and a basic black dress can never go wrong. So you can invest in pieces like a basic white shirt or a basic black dress, and they are always great additions to your wardrobe. And I think I have already shot an outro for this video, so I'm going to jump to that. Moving on, clothing items that Mansi got. So this is a beautiful sunflower floral printed dress that she got. It's a spaghetti dress and she hasn't worn it. It's only for rupees 1050 and 60% off on that. That makes it like what, 500 rupees. That's amazing. The size that she got is medium. It's kind of a flary dress, so probably you wear a denim jacket on top of it and it would look stunning. Also, these earrings would look really well with this dress. Moving on, Mansi bought a very comfortable t-shirt from the boys section just to be worn during the night as a night wear. So yeah, this is the t-shirt she got. Super comfy, it's huge, and it's more like a t-shirt dress, but it would make a perfect night dress if you girls can just imagine being in a loose fitted, super soft. The material is great, you guys. I feel I should have 1 or 2 of these. It's for rupees 1000, 60% off, only rupees 400. It has gotten prints on both the sides and it's super comfortable. So yeah, this is what she got. Moving on to the last item of this haul is this very pretty dress that Mansi got. So this is the dress that I'm talking about. It's all white with this floral detailing all over it. Yes, this red and white thing that you see all over the dress is embroidered, and it's more like a spaghetti dress, but it has these off-shoulder sleeves on it. The length of the dress, if I had to describe, it would come just, you know, at the center of your thigh high, so probably you can wear denim shorts beneath it, a blue color shorts or a black colored shorts or even a white colored shorts for that matter, and that would be enough to, you know, pull the look off. So she hasn't worn it, and the price of the dress is $18.99. Again, 60% off on that, and this one is sized at large. Now, to be honest, though Forever 21 had such massive discounts, they had all the sizes available in all of the clothing that we've got. So if you wanted to purchase this dress in small, it was available. If you wanted to get it in extra large, it was still available. So I don't know how they got such amazing discounts. Oh, we have one more item of clothing that I forgot to show you. So that was the second last piece. So the last and the final thing that Mansi got is this amazing floral shrug. We have purchased a lot of floral prints. Probably the store's collection was a lot floral this time. So it's like a bathrobe kind of a thing, but she styled it as a shrug. So she wore a beautiful black dress and she layered the dress with this shrug. It has a belt. Sorry, I just pulled it out from the wardrobe with the hanger. So it has a belt if you want, you know, wear it act like a bathrobe if you are at a beach destination and you want to just layer your bikini or whatever you're wearing with this robe. You look stunning, and if you just want to wear it regularly, you can wear it as a shrug. Loose fitted, great material. The size that she got it is medium, and this was not very inexpensive. This was again for 1900 rupees, 60% off, and this was entirely her idea to wear a bathrobe as a shrug. Never in my dreams could I think of something like that. She has better styling sense than me. So you should also follow her on Instagram. She makes a lot of this makeup, styling, reels and on Instagram, and she's really good at it. So you should follow her at I'm Mansi Gandhi on Instagram. You should follow me at I'm Dhruva Gandhi on Instagram. And yeah, that's all we got from Forever 21. Also recently we've been shopping from Myntra, both me and Mansi. They are more like kurtis and stuff, and some t-shirts as well. So we have received all of the products from Myntra. So let me know if you guys would want to see a Myntra haul, and I'd be delighted to make them for you. I personally am someone who not just like making shopping hauls, but I also love watching shopping haul videos. So if you are a girl like me, you could probably relate. Let me know what you think of this video, if it was helpful for you. So next, I personally feel that these kind of videos are helpful because you know what to expect from a brand, you know what to look for when you go to that particular store or when you're shopping from that particular brand, what their collection is like. And I feel they are really addictive and satisfying, oddly satisfying in some way or the other. So yeah, I'll just end this video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you another time. Till then, bye.